little video here today about the stray dog vote. Yes, we shall be definitely keeping her. She's a lovely natured dog and she gets on absolutely amazing with our own dog, Wolfie. We got a name for her. Her name's going to be Sandy. And also done a chicken and duck cub today. All the ducks are out enjoying and the chickens are out. We had two new ducks there, the black ones. One boy, one girl. So now we have 5 ducks in total, a drake and 4 girls. These are Moscove ducks. They lay about 60 eggs each a year. They're very nice birds for the pot, as they would say. But the eggs are absolutely delicious. There are 2 little chickens enjoying the sun today. Absolutely beautiful here in Bulgaria. The sun is shining.